Третий класс, английский язык, Звездный английский, домашнее задание, мой любимый день, часть вторая, страница 104-105. English Starlight 3, my favorite day. Homework, part number 2, page number 104, 105. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 104. Another lovely day. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Послушайте, покажите и повторяйте. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Listen and point. Then sing and do. Слушайте и показывайте, затем пойте и делайте. Tick-tock. It's 8 o'clock. Another lovely day. I have a shower. I go to school. I am happy. It's today. Tick-tock. It's 1 o'clock. Another lovely day. I eat my lunch. I play outside. I am happy. It's today. Tick-tock. It's 6 o'clock. Another lovely day. I watch TV. I ride my bike. I'm happy. It's today. Tick-tock. It's 10 o'clock. Another lovely day. I read a book. I go to sleep. I'm happy. It's today. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Look and say. Посмотри и скажи. Harry's favorite day is Friday. Любимый день Гарри – пятница. The answer. Harry's favorite day is Friday. Mona's favorite day is Sunday. Lee's favorite day is Saturday. Emma's favorite day is Wednesday. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 105. 105. Exercise number 4. Read the text and choose the best title. Прочтите текст и выберите лучший заголовок. My favorite day is Sunday. On Sundays, I get up late and have a big breakfast. Then I play football with my friends in the park. In the afternoon, I go to the cinema with my father. I love Sundays. A. My favorite day. B. Days of the week. C. The cinema. The answer. The best title is My favorite day. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. Write about your favorite day. Draw stick photos. Напишите о своем любимом дне. Нарисуйте или приклейте фотографии. The answer. My favorite day is Wednesday. On Wednesdays, I get up at 7 o'clock and go to school. Then I come home, have lunch with my sister. We do our homework and play computer games. In the evening, we go to swimming pool with my father. I love Wednesdays. Fun time. Teacher. Which is closer to Russia, Poland, or the moon? Student. The moon. Teacher. Really? Why? You can see the moon from here, so, but you can't see Poland. Why does Mickey Mouse go into space every weekend? He wants to visit Pluto. Did you know? Earth is not like a circle. It is more like a pumpkin. Days on planet Mars are 24 hours and 47 minutes. Days on planet Earth are 23 hours and 56 minutes. You can sleep an extra half hour every day on planet Mars. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.